I want to thank you so much for subscribing, liking, and sharing my content. Today I'll show you how to make some pilau and dari. Hi friends, family, and fed up with this. While more but we're here welcomes you to Spice Living, where we star, simmer, and summer life together. Before we begin today's cooking, I want to thank you so much for subscribing, liking, and sharing my content. Today we are going to learn how to make some pilau, and you will love it. From my kitchen to yours, Spice Living starts now. Let's go straight and see our ingredients. You have your oil. I have some beef. I have got onions. You have to make sure you have plenty of them. Then I have rice, which is our main ingredient. For the seasoning, I have garlic. This is crushed garlic and ginger. Then I have black pepper here. I have pilau masala, and I have our salt to taste. Let's begin with the cooking. Let's begin with heating our oil. I normally prefer starting with heating the oil, and then we pour in our onions. You have to ensure that you keep stirring them. To quicken the process, you can always add some salt. You have to ensure that you stir them for a period of about 10 minutes or so until the onions turn golden brown. Once they are almost turning golden brown, you add in your ginger and garlic paste and you stir. From there you add your two spices. We have the black pepper and the pilau masala. Stir them to ensure they infuse well with the onions. From there you add your beef, but this is quite optional. Continue stirring. Then the next step is to add your rice, which is the main ingredient. You also mix it thoroughly with the rest of the spices to ensure they are well mixed and for a consistent flavor. Once you're done with mixing, it's time to add your water. For this case, I used 2 cups of rice, so I'm going to use 4 cups of water. Stir them. Also taste your salt to ensure it is to your liking. Stir them. Right, then you're almost done now. The next step is to cover your pilau. I prefer using the foil, and then you cook it on low heat. Now let's check our pilau and see it's ready and very yummy. You can see the color. You don't need a lot of ingredients. Imagine guys, it's just the onions. Ensure you have a lot of onions. Now let us serve our pilau and you see how it looks. This is lunch for my family today. Hii nayo imeweza, hii nayo iliweza kuweza. Yes guys, this is the pilau. So I'll take it out for my family. We are going to have lunch from outside today. So I'm going to serve this with some kachumbari and some tomato sauce. I like it that way. So there goes my kachumbari, and my sauce. Now let's go straight into testing.
Yes, let me take niweke sauce kidogo, kachumbari, and let me take the first bite. And guys, hii nayo lazima ujaribu. It is very very yummy, very very yummy.
That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's cooking, and I hope you get to try this. Until next time, keep cooking, keep creating, and savoring the little things that make life delicious. Bye bye.